Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if Google Play Store is for some reason not working on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure that you are using a strong Wi-Fi network and try reopening your Google Play Store once again. And if this isn't gonna help you, simply restart your computer by short pressing the power button and selecting shutdown, or just by going to Control Center right here and going to Power Options and selecting Restart. And if it's also not helping you, open the Control Center once again, then click the gear icon to open Settings. Here we're gonna have to go to Apps on the sidebar, then go to Manage Google Play Preferences, and here you'll find Android settings. Open them. Now in this settings we're gonna have to find apps, all apps, and in all apps we're gonna have to find Google Play Store, and we're gonna have to go to Storage and Cache, and here we'll be able to clear the cache for Google Play Store. After clearing the cache, try reopening this application once again. If it's not gonna help you, also clean the storage and then reopen your Google Play Store. This time it will most probably take a bit of time, but after that you should be able to relaunch your application properly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.